Hi student, I am Shekhar Mande. Welcome once again my YouTube channel. Now in this video, we are going to learn Standard 12 Math Second, chapter number 1st, differentiation, and in which we are going to learn exercise 1.5. Now, what is question number 1? Find the second order derivative of the following. First one is 2x is to 5 minus 4x to minus 2 by x square minus 9. Now here, first step is that y is equal to 2x is to 5 minus 4x to minus 2 by x square minus 9. Wow. Just y is equal to open again. First differentiate with respect to x. So what will dy by dx go outside, derivative of x is to 5, 4 outside, derivative of x cube, go outside, derivative of 1 by x square minus derivative of 9. So 2, this is 4, 5, x is to 4, x is to n, x is to n minus 1, 4, derivative of x cube is 3x square minus 2. Now derivative of x is 1 by x is to n minus n upon x is to n plus 1. Right? So what we get? Minus 2 upon x cube, and derivative of constant is 0. So what we get? 10 x is to 4 minus 12 x square minus plus 4 by x cube. Again, this is a differentiable equation. ये परत का एक differentiable equation है, पर differentiate करा से dy by dx, differentiate this dy by dx, differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx, dy by dx. डबल आपल्या सेकंड ऑर्डर मध्ये काय करायचं, जस्ट d2y by dx स्क्वेअर काढायचे, किंवा d स्क्वेअर by dx स्क्वेअर. आता इथे बघा, याला 10 outside, derivative of x is to 4 minus 12 derivative of x square 1 upon x cube, d2y by dx square 10 4x cube minus 12 2x 4 minus 3 by x is to 4 minus n upon x is to n plus 1. So this is written as d square y upon dx square, that is second order derivative, 40 x cube minus 24x minus plus 12 plus minus 12 by x is to 4. This is the second order derivative of this function y is equal to 2x is to 5 minus 4x cube minus 2 by x square minus 9. Isn't it? That's in the second one. After this, second one is y is equal to, second let y is equal to e raised to 2x tan x. So differentiate e raised to 2x constant, derivative of tan x constant, derivative of e raised to 2x. So e raised to 2x, derivative of tan x is x square x, tan x, e raised to 2x, e raised to 2x, e raised to x, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, again derivative of this is 2x, this is composite function, so 2. So what we get? E raised to 2x common, x square x plus 2 tan x. This is dy by dx. Now differentiate again. This is differentiable function. So differentiate with respect to x. Why? we have to find second order derivative. So what we get, t by dx of dy by dx is equal to, now here again e raised to 2x common, e raised to 2x, e raised to 2x common, so x square x 2 tan x, this is again u into v. So here we use u into v, first function constant, derivative of bracket plus bracket constant, bracket keep as it is, derivative of e raised to 2x. So what we get, e raised to 2x, derivative of sec square x is 2 sec x tan 2 sec x. First derivative of sec square x is 2 sec x multiply by derivative of sec x. Here 2 tan x, derivative of tan x is sec square x plus sec square x 2 tan x, and derivative of e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x into 2. Okay, isn't it? आता काय, e raised to 2x, e raised to 2x काय करू आपण कॉमन घेऊ, e raised to this or take one step more 2 sec x, what is derivative of sec x, sec x into tan x plus 2 sec square x plus 2 e raised to 2x sec square x plus 2 tan x. Now correct the terms, take common, this is u into v. Okay, first step. आता नेक्स्ट काय करायचं आपलं, d2i by dx स्क्वेअर, इथून बघा 2 कॉमन निघतो, 2 sec x कॉमन निघाल, बरोबर, काय काय 2 घ्या, 2 कॉमन, 2 e raised to 2x कॉमन, 2 e raised to 2x, इकडे काय जातं sec x into sec x, sec square x tan x plus 2 sec square x plus 2 e raised to 2x sec square x plus 2 tan x, काय काय जातं 2 e raised to 2x कॉमन, sec square x tan x, 2 sec square x plus 2 tan x. Okay, 2 e raised to 2x, जसं कॉमन आपण करू शकतो 2 इथून 2 sec square x आणि sec square x, 3 sec square x tan x plus 2 3 sec square x plus 2 tan x. अजून याच्यातून tan x कॉमन काढू शकतो आपण, ठीक आहे, but keep as it is. So this is second order derivative of e raised to 2x tan x. Now similar example, third one is also similar as second. Cos of 5x and y is equal to e raised to 4x. Cos of 5x, differentiate with respect to x, u into v, first function constant, derivative of second constant, derivative of e raised to 4x. e raised to 4x, derivative of cos 5x is minus sin 5x, negative of 5x is 5, cos of 5x, e raised to 4x is, derivative of e raised to 4x is e raised to 4x, and derivative of 4x is 4, so e raised to 4x, 4 cos of 5x minus 5 sin 5x. differentiate with respect to x. E raised to 4x constant, derivative of bracket 4 cos of 5x minus 5 sin 5x. Again bracket constant 4 cos of 5x minus 5 sin 5x, derivative of e raised to 4x. So this is d2y by dx square e raised to 4x. This is derivative of 4 cos of 5x. That is cos of 5x is minus sin 5 of x. So 4 sin of 5x into again derivative of 5. 5x is 5 minus 5. Derivative of sin 5x is cos 5x. Again derivative of 5x is 5 plus 4 cos of 5x minus 5 sin 5x e raised to 4x. Negative of 4x is 4. This is as it is. अथवा काय काय कॉमन निघाल e raised to 4x कॉमन. Here is minus 4 into 5 minus 20 sin 5x minus 25 cos of 5x 4 into 4 16 plus 16 cos of 5x and 4 into 5 minus 5 into 4 minus 20 sin x. Therefore e raised to 4x. This is minus 20 sin 5x and minus 20. Here also minus 40 sin 5x minus 25 and plus 16 minus 9. कोणाची sin 5x sin 5x यांची ॲडिशन होईल minus 20 आणि या दोघांची बरोबर. म्हणजेच काय मायनस e raised to 4x 40 sin 5x plus 9 cos of 5x. Okay. विद्यार्थी मित्रों, व्हिडिओ जर तुम्हाला आवडत असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि कमेंट्स जरूर करा. फाइंड द सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. फोर्थ वन x cube log of x. Let y is equal to x cube log of x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx, here is u into v, first function constant, derivative of second constant, derivative of first. X cube log of x is 1 by x, log of x 3x square. x cancel होईल, x square 3x square log of x. So again x square common 1 plus 3 log of x. त्याला परत डिफरन्शिएट करू आपण. डिफरन्शिएट x square plus 3 log of x यालाच करून घेऊ. Differentiate with respect to x. So d by dx of dy by derivative of x square. Single function है, ठीक है, it is 3 outside x square constant, derivative of log of x plus log of x constant, derivative of x square. d2y by dx square. Derivative of x square is 2x, 3. X square 1 by x. X square as it is. Derivative of log of x is 1 by x. Log of x, derivative of x square is 2x. 2x. Cancel 3. X plus 2x log of x. This is 2x, 3 into 3x plus 3 into 2, 6x log of x. काय मग 2x plus 3x, 5x, 6x log of x. x constant common 5, 6 log of x. x common घेतला 5, here is 6 log of x. This is the d2y by d square y by dx square. Second order derivative. Now fifth one. Let y is equal to log of x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx 1 upon log of x. Again derivative of log of x 1 upon what is derivative of log of x is 1 by x. This is what dy by dx, that is 1 upon x log of x. Now differentiate with respect to x. X log of x. Now see here, derivative of 1 by f of x काय होतो minus 1 by f of x square into derivative of f of x. बरं मग काय लिहितो d2y by dx square minus x log of x square and derivative of x log of x. So minus 1 upon derivative of x first function constant, derivative of second log of x constant, derivative of x. So minus x square log of x square into first function constant, derivative of log of x is 1 by x, log of x, derivative of x is 1. So here x get cancelled. So what we get 1 plus log of x minus 1 plus log of x upon this you can keep x log of x bracket square. This is what d2y by dx. Right? Next one now. Sixth one. Let y is equal to x raised to x. आता काय function raised to function taking log on both sides. So log of y, log of x raised to x. So log of y, x log of x, differentiate with respect to x. Log of y, first function constant, derivative of second constant, derivative of first. So here 1 by y, dy by dx, x. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ लॉग ऑफ एक्स आपण असे फंक्शन कशामध्ये बघितलेले लॉगॅरिथमिक फंक्शन मध्ये. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ लॉग ऑफ एक्स इज 1 बाय एक्स, लॉग ऑफ एक्स डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ एक्स इज 1. सो dy by dx y x x cancel 1 plus log of x. पर त्याला डिफरन्शिएट करायचं. बस आपण y ची व्हॅल्यू रिप्लेस करू. So therefore dy by dx x is to x 1 plus log of x. आता परत त्याला डिफरन्शिएट करा. डिफरन्शिएट with respect to x. So d2 d x is to x constant derivative of 1 plus log of x. Again 1 plus log of x constant derivative of x is to x. So x is to x, left side is d2y by dx square. Here is 1 by x. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of log of x is 1 by x plus 1 plus log of x. Now same. हे काय भेटलं आपण y is equal to x is to x आणि त्याची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय भेटलं आपण x is to x 1 plus log of x. बरोबर. इथे x is to x ची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय नंतर x is to x 1 plus log of x by 1. So what will d2y by dx square x ची पॉवर काय 1 आहे आणि ची x आहे म्हणून काय x is to x minus 1 plus 1 plus log of x आणि 1 plus log of x काय होईल 1 plus log of x square. This is second order derivative of x is to x. Okay. Now next, find d2y by dx square of the following. First one, x is equal to a theta minus sin theta, y is equal to a 1 minus cos theta. Now consider x is equal to a theta minus sin theta. Differentiate करेगा. So dx by d theta a derivative of theta minus sin theta. Derivative of theta is 1 with respect to theta. कारण का x हे कोणते पॅरामेट्रिक फंक्शन्स आहे बरोबर. x is equal to आपला x is expressed in theta, so we will differentiate with respect to theta. Derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1 and this is sin theta is kind cos theta and y is equal to a 1 minus cos theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. So what we get? dy by d theta is equal to a derivative of 1 is 0 and minus cos theta is plus sin theta. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So what is dy by d theta? A sin theta and here is a 1 minus cos theta. A get cancel. Sin theta तो वगैरह अपन थोड़ा simplify करो. Sin theta is 2 sin theta cos theta by 2. Sin 2 theta बरोबर का आपल्याला 2 sin theta cos theta. So single angle we get half angle. 1 minus cos theta 2 sin square theta by 2. This is your dy by dx. Again dy by dx is equal to 2 get cancel, sin theta by 2 and square get cancel, we get cos theta by 2 upon sin theta by 2, that is dy by dx is equal to cot theta by 2. Now we have to find d2y by dx square. So differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of dy by dx. आता इकडे लक्ष द्या, ही स्टेप महत्वाची आहे. ह्या स्टेप मध्ये बघा कॉट थिटा बाय 2 काय, दिस इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ थिटा, पण आपल्याला काय विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स करायचंय. मग इथे कंपोजिशन आहे. मग आपण काय करूया व्यवस्थित डी बाय डी थिटा कॉट थिटा बाय 2. आपल्याला पहिल्यांदा याला काय करायचंय की कशाने हे करायचं विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू थिटा, बट दिस इज नॉट थिटा. सो बट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स करायचं आपल्याला. दिस इज नॉट एक्स. तो पहिल्यांदा थिटाने करायचं, नंतर मग त्या थिटाला कोणी करायचं एक्स नाही म्हणजे काय इथे dx बाय डी थिटा बाय dx. थोडक्यात बघा डी थिटाने डिवाइड करतोय डी थिटाने मल्टिप्लाय केलं बरोबर. म्हणजेच काय विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू थिटा काढायचा आणि हा एक्स नाही म्हणून त्याला परत डिफरन्शिएट करायचं बरोबर. कंपोजिशन लक्षात ठेवा इथे किती जातं मायनस कोस एक्स स्क्वेअर थिटा बाय 2. मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ थिटा बाय 2 इज 1/2. दिस इज 1 अपॉन आपला जो डी थिटा बाय डी एक्स नाही आपला जो काय dx बाय डी थिटा आहे आपला जो काय dx बाय डी थिटा ही व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला ठेवायची आहे. सो I can write it as dx by d theta minus 2 cos x square theta by 2 1 by 2 1 upon dx by d theta is a 1 minus cos theta. Now here what we get d2y by dx square. Our left side is d2y by dx square minus 1 by 2 cos x square theta by 2. Again 1 upon a, right? 1 minus cos theta म्हणजे काय 2 sin square theta by 2, right? So what do we get? Minus 1 by 2 and 2. It will minus 1 by 4 I a minus 4 by a cos x square theta by 2. This is also cos x square theta by 2. So what do we get? Minus 1 by 4 a cos x is to 4 theta by 2. This is second order derivative of given equation. Now second example, x is equal to 280 square. So x is equal to 280 square. Differentiate with respect to t. So dx by dt 2a constant. We drop t square. T square should to get 2t. So 480. This is what. Also y is equal to 480. Differentiate with respect to t. dy by dt 4a 4a into 1, that is 4. Now dy by dx का हे पॅरामेट्रिक फंक्शन्स आहे दोन्ही पण. कोणता पॅरामीटर आहे t. आता dy by dx बरोबर काय dy by dt upon dx by dt. So dy by dt 4a, this is 480. So dy by dx 4 a cancel, that is dy by dx is equal to 1 by t. आता differentiate with respect to x. याला काय with respect to x differentiate करायचं. So d by dx of dy by dx is equal to 1 by t. So d2y by dx square minus 1 by t square, right? But this is not function of x. म्हणून याला काय करू आपलं पॅरामीट्रिक लास्ट याच्या सारखं 1 dt by dx. dx ने आपण काय करू याला dx ने आपण याला काय केलं डिफरन्शिएट करताना हे फंक्शन टीच आहे तर आधी आपण याला टी ने डिफरन्शिएट करू आणि मग एक्स ने करू. म्हणून काय डी बाय डी एक्स इथं काय आपलं डी जस्ट 1 मिनिट इथं काय करू आपण त्याला डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ 1 बाय टी. पण पहिल्यांदा आपण काय करू फर्स्ट वी डिफरन्शिएट इट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टी कारण हे फंक्शन टीच आहे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स करता येणार नाही. काय बघ dt ने आपण डिवाइड केलं म्हणून dt ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं dt बाय dx. सो d2y by dx square this is minus 1 by t square. Now dt by dx is written as 1 upon dx by dt, कारण आपल्याला dx by dt ची व्हॅल्यू मग काय d2y by dx square minus 1 by t square 1 upon dx by dt काय 1 upon 480 minus 1 upon 480 cube. This is your d2y by dx square. Next बघा x is equal to sin theta given y is equal to काय sin cube theta. आता इथे बघा x is equal to sin theta आणि y is equal to काय sin cube theta. बरोबर आता y is equal to sin cube theta आणि x sin theta आहे तर इथे आपण याला काय करू जस्ट वी गेट एक शॉर्टकट सांगतो एक इंटरेस्टिंग एग्जांपल है y is equal to sin काय आपल्याकडे x आहे sin theta is x so I can write it x cube x is equal to sin theta बार sin theta म्हणजे कोण आहे x म्हणजेच काय x cube आता डिफरन्शिएट करू डिफरन्शिएट with respect to x so dy by dx derivative of x cube हे तर आपले नेहमीप्रमाणे करणार थोडा अवघड होईल हे सोपं आहे फक्त एक क्लू लक्षात ठेवा dy by dx 3x square differentiate with respect to x d by dx so derivative of 3x square derivative of 3x square is 6x 3 as it is x square is derivative 2x बरोबर now आपल्याला काय थीटा दिलेले आपला आन्सर काय समजायला x मध्ये बरोबर आता x ची व्हॅल्यू काय आपल्याला sin थीटा when theta is equal to pi by 2 x is equal to sin this is theta means sin pi by 2 is equal to 1 therefore x is equal to 1 then d2y by dx square at theta is equal to pi by 2 is 6 into 1 that is 6 okay now next example of this video बा व्हिडिओची लेंथ जास्त होईल म्हणून आपण ह्या 1.5 चे पार्ट करतोय क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आणि 2 या पार्ट मध्ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 सेकंड आणि क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आपण थर्ड पार्ट मध्ये बरोबर x is equal to काय आता given x is equal to a cos theta differentiate with respect to theta so dx by d theta cos theta so minus a derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta also y is equal to b sin theta differentiate sin theta b cos theta this is your dx by theta now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta so b cos theta minus a sin theta याला परत डिफरन्शिएट करू डिफरन्शिएट with respect to x dy by dx minus b by e derivative of cos theta minus b by e b cos x square theta by e but here we also need dx differentiate with respect to theta आपल्याला इथे काय करायचं just we need here d by d theta into d theta by dx. So 1 upon dx by d theta. Note that this step महत्वाची है. What is dx by d theta? Minus a sin theta. A sin theta. So d2y by dx square minus b by a square. P a into a minus a square. Again cosec square theta. 1 by sin theta is cosec theta. So minus b by a square. Cosec cube by minus b by a square cosec cube theta. आता आपल्याला काय थीटा इज इक्वल टू कोणत्या व्हॅल्यू साठी काढायचे पाय बाय 4. When theta is equal to pi by 4 minus b by a square cosec cube pi by 4. It is root 2 cube. So minus b by a square 2 root 2. So minus 2 root 2 b by a square. This is your second order derivative at theta is equal to pi by 4.